Hello everyone, welcome to autumn class. Today we are going to start with the intermediary class, which is 11th form. But we're going with two classes or two forms if you want, the letter and the SES. Our first lesson today is a function which is about asking for and giving opinion, agreeing and disagreeing. Okay, asking for and giving opinion, agreeing and disagreeing. We start with a situation. Money is the source of happiness. Money is the source of happiness. A, asking for opinion. What do you think about this situation? What do you think about this situation? How do you feel about? You can complete with your own word of asking for opinion, or if you want, of the topic you are using. What do you feel about? What is your opinion of? Or what is your opinion about? Let's come to giving opinion. We have some expression to give our opinion during a discussion. For example, we are discussing about something like the situation we took today about money is the source of happiness. Personally, I think, or personally, I feel, personally, I believe, personally, I considered that money is the source of happiness. All of these are expressions we can use to express your opinion or to give your opinion during a discussion. We can also say, it seems to me that money is the source of happiness. We can see all of this. Or if you ask me, money is the source of happiness. You can say, if you ask me, I can say that money is the source of happiness. We can also say, from my point of view, money is the source of happiness. From my point of view, money is the source of happiness. We can say also, as far as I'm concerned, money is the source of happiness. The next expression, well, I really don't know much about it. You can say this. Well, I really don't know much about it. Next, in my opinion, money is the source of happiness here. Then we can say, to tell the truth, I haven't really thought about it. To tell the truth, I haven't really thought about it. Now, let's come to when you are agreeing, when you are agreeing with the idea your friends are talking about. When you are agreeing, we can say, I suppose so. I suppose so. That means you agree. Of course it is. Of course it is. Absolutely. This means that you are quite agree. Absolutely. You can also say, I agree with you. This is the common expression many people know. I agree with you. This is generally used by many people. Right or right is intonation. Right, right. The last year, so do I. That means you are agree also. Now, when you disagree, you can say, oh, I don't think so. Oh, I don't think so. Also, you can say, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Or you can express your disagreeing by a question like, do you really think so? Do you really think so? You can also say, I disagree. I disagree, or I don't agree. These expressions also are common. These are generally used by many people also, like I agree with you when you are agree with the idea. You can say rubbish. Rubbish. Or you can say nonsense. Nonsense. You can also say no way. No way. No way. Or you can say I don't. Ok. Vous devez retenir que ça, ce sont les expressions que nous utilisons durant des discussions. Par exemple, on envoie une idée et on discute là-dessus. Par exemple, on a dit l'argent est la source du bonheur. Vous savez très bien que quand on envoie ce genre d'idées, ça suscite beaucoup de discussions. Donc, nous avons eu comment demander les opinions de quelqu'un et ensuite, si on vous demande votre opinion, comment est-ce que vous allez vous exprimer? Et après ça, si vous êtes d'accord avec les idées avancées, quelles sont les expressions qu'on doit utiliser? Ou si nous ne sommes pas d'accord avec les idées avancées, quelles sont les idées, sinon quelles sont les expressions que nous devons utiliser? Donc cette leçon va dans ce canevas. Donc vous devez retenir ces expressions-là qui peuvent beaucoup vous servir, que ce soit en classe ou dans la vie courante. On essaie de discuter des idées au grain. Okay. Let's come to the activities. The first activity here, instruction. Adama and Musa are friends. They are talking about teachers' strikes in Mali. Adama and Musa are friends. They are talking about teachers' strike in Mali. Now, what does Adama say? You give two possible expressions. What does Adama say? You give two possible expressions. How does Musa reply? It's a discussion about the teacher strike in Mali between two friends. How does Musa reply? Now also you give two possible expressions. Okay. The next activity here, instruction. Complete the following dialogue between Bazo and Mariam using expressions of asking for, giving opinion, agreeing, and disagreeing, like the lesson we have just seen together. You use the expressions to complete the following dialogue here in front of you. Bazo. About schools in Mali. Donc, you use the expression to complete the beginning of the dialogue of the expression that Bazo, or the talk of Bazo. Bazo is speaking. What does he say before about schools in Mali? You complete the dialogue, or you complete Bazo's speech here. Mariam, our schools are in a bad way of learning. Our schools are in bad way of learning. Bazo, about Malian students' behavior. About Malian students' behavior. And then Mariam, to conclude, most of the students have got bad behavior. Most of students have got bad behavior. These two activities is for you to make a challenge with yourself to see whenever you get, or you got the lesson, or you understood the lesson or not. For the time being, is all for today. Thanks for your following, and take care. Bye bye.